Here's my Project 68, my 1968 Dodge Coronet 440. I've had it for a while, but I've just started working on it again. A little Valiant. So here's the interior. It's been about a week since I fired this thing up. Let's go have a look at the motor. So this, I found an old 68 RT power bulge hood. I have the goodies that go right here. I have those. I'll probably get some new ones. I want to clean this up and maybe put it on the car, take the six-pack hood off the car, and then I have the original hood off my car behind it, wrapped up, so if I ever put the stock hood back on it. But I found this hood, actually my buddies did. It was $40 at Spring Fling in Van Nuys, California, and I had no way to get it home, so I didn't want to buy it, and my friend said screw it. Bought it. I ended up having it tie it to the top of my car with extension cords and drive about 90 miles home with the 68 RT hood on top of my little import car that I had back at the time. With all of us trying to hold it, that was quite an ordeal. But it made it home, didn't fly off the roof, and I have that hood, and I got it for $40, so can't beat that.